Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss about what is NAD plus. So, what is NAD plus? You should need to understand and why it is important for us, for every animal even and every plant. So, the NAD plus is the coenzyme work for another enzymatic activity. For example, it is used for the electron transport chain to donate the electron and pump out the proton, and in this way the outer mitochondrial matrix in the mitochondria will create the proton acidity will increase. It means the proton gradient, proton concentration gradient will create, and in this way the ATP synthetase enzyme used to move back into the inner mitochondrial matrix, and in this way the ATP will generate. It means the NAD plus is very important for the generation of ATP. This is the number one thing you should need to understand. And in this, the ATP is very important for the muscle contraction, for the thinking, for the speaking, listening, and even heartbeat, blood circulatory system function, and even all things, the catabolism, anabolism, and the synthesis of protein. That's all type of the chemical reaction occur by the ATP consumption. So the ATP hydrolyzed to ADP, adenosine triphosphate convert into the adenosine diphosphate, and in this way you can consume the energy in the form of phosphate bond. Anyhow, so in this way the NAD plus is very important and drastically decrease with the passage of life passing on. So whenever you will go into the 50 years older, in this way the NAD plus will decline drastically, and in this way the decline of the NAD plus is required the vitamin B6 and the vitamin B1 and other type of nutrient like vitamin C and other type of the vitamin, but the vitamin B6 and only the vitamin B complex you can consume to enhance the NAD plus. On the other hand, the supplementation like NMN is also important for the boosting of the NAD plus, will lead to decrease the aging, and in this way you will look more younger by the consumption of NAD plus in the form of NAD plus booster. But on the other hand, in the vegetables is a lot of the precursor of NAD plus, and in meat also the precursor of NAD plus content, which that will trigger the NAD plus. So in this way, you should not worry about that on the basis of diet. You can also boost the NAD plus through fasting. When you will go into the fasting, your cell will be maintained, and in this way the AMPK pathway will be triggered, and the gene on the basis of stress, which that produce more NAD plus for the survival of the body. This is the stress is known as biological stress, which that is helpful. In this way the NAD plus is also basically also trigger through the internal pathway through NMN, and in this way the nicotinic acid also convert this. So all these things is important from the green vegetables, but exercise, when you will work exercise, in this way the mitochondria will be increased. When the mitochondria will increase, we require more NAD plus. So the NAD plus requirement is more. In this way, the NAD plus, when more requirement of NAD plus, in this way, the you can understand that is easy to understand. The mitochondria will be replicate more. It means the more requirement of NAD plus. So the synthesis will be required more on the basis of biological stress response. That is why exercise, fasting, and good healthy diet is also more important for the NAD plus boosting mechanism. And in this way the longevity will be increased and you will look more younger, because the NAD plus is used for the collagen formation, your skin glowing, your hair formation, and your heart protection, the cardiovascular system protection, as well as brain protection. Everything you should need to correct it, and that is why the NAD plus is the soul for the human, even every animal. So that is the NAD plus is increase will lead to increase the longevity. This is the NAD plus, and NAD plus is very important. We will understand about different topic on the basis of different food with related to the NAD plus. So please make sure to subscribe, like and share, and see you in the next video. For this time, bye. But I am also making the handwritten tutorial about the biomedical science. You can learn a lot of knowledge from the my biomedical science tutorial. If you are a student or expert, you can learn a lot of things. So thanks for watching. For this time, bye.